Good morning, guys. Today we are going to discuss about design and implementation of code converters. In that, four converters will be there. One is binary to gray code converter, gray to binary code converter, BCD to XS3 converter, XS3 to BCD converter, right? So in that we already discussed gray to binary code converter. So in this class we are going to implement logic diagram and circuit diagram, and we are going to verify the truth table for binary to gray code converter. So here the components required are IC trainer kit, XOR gate, that is sufficient. These two will be sufficient, and patch cards. So these three are the components required to rig up the circuit and verify the truth table for gray to binary to gray code converter. So first we should know about how to convert, right? So binary to gray, binary to gray code converter. I will tell the method how to convert it, right? So before that we should know about XOR gate function. That is, my XOR gate will be A, B and Y, two inputs and one output, two input and one output. So if it is 0 0, there are combinations 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. These are the four combinations. For XOR gate, if you take 0 and 0, my XOR output will be 0, right? For 0 and 1, it's 1, and 1 and 0 will be 1, and 1 and 1 will be 0. So it means if your input is same, then you will not get output. If your input is complement, then you will get the output. This is the truth table for XOR gate, that is XOR gate, right? So based on this we are going to convert binary to gray code. So for example 1010, if you take 4-bit binary 1010, so for this 1010, how we can convert it into gray code, right? So this is your B3, right? It's B2 and B1, B0. So this is LSB, least significant bit, and this will be the most significant bit, MSB. Okay, so here I am going to convert to gray code, right? G3, Z2, Z1 and Z0. Okay, so how we can convert? So as it is, so G3 will be as it is, whatever it is, you have to write it the same thing, 1, right? And you have to take XOR of these two, and your result will be your G2, and XOR of B2 and B1, your result will be G1, and the XOR of B1 and B0, your result will be G0. See, for 1 0, if you take XOR of 1 0, my output will be 1. So here I will get 1, right? So XOR of 0 and 1, again it's a 1, and XOR of 1 and 0, right? 1 and 0, it will be 1, right? So this is the equivalent gray code for the given binary number 1010, right? So my gray code will be 1111. So if you take one more example, that is if you consider 0101, 4-bit. Now how we can convert it? So as it is, you write 0, then you take XOR of these two, I will get 1, and XOR of 1 and 0, I will get 1 again. So XOR of 0 and 1, again I will get 1. So this is the equivalent gray for the given binary number. So this is the way we can convert the binary into gray code. right, using XOR operation. So now we are going to see the same thing. We will verify the truth table, right? So these are the possible truth tables, right? These are the possible truth tables. So this is gray, this is binary, and this is gray, right? For 0 0 0 0, my gray code will be 0 0 0 0, and 0 0 0 1, my gray code 0 0 0 1. So likewise these are the combinations, right, from 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. Okay, 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. This is how we can convert. This is the logic diagram, right? So this is the logic diagram. So here we are using only one XOR IC, that is 7486 XOR IC we are using. So input will be B0, B1, B2, B3, or binary digits, right? And my output is a gray code. My output will be gray code. So here my G0, what is G0? G0 is XOR of B1 and B0, XOR of B1 and B0, and G1 will be XOR of B2 and B1, B2 and B1, and for G2 it's B3 and B2, and G3 will be it's directly from B3. This is the logic diagram, right? So as per this connection I given the circuit connections I given. These are all input sections, and these are all output section, right? So here I connected only one IC, that is 7486 IC, right? So this is a power supply section. I given ground to pin number 7 and plus 2 pin number 14. So as per the diagram I given, now we are going to verify the truth table, right? So for a truth table, this is binary code. We are converting from binary to gray code, right? So for 0 0 0 0, it's 0 0 0 0, and 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 1 1, I am getting 0 0 1 0, right? See, for we will check the first one, second one, and third one, right? See, you switch on, right? So this is B3, B2, B1, B0, G3, G2, G1, and G0. So this is your MSB, and this is your LSB, right? Here this is MSB and this is LSB in the gray code, right? So if it is 0 0 0, my output will be 0 0 0 0. If it is 0 0 0 1, right, my output 0 0 0 1, right? So now 0 0 1 0. If it is 0 0 1 0, my output will be 0 0 1 1, right? And so we'll check some other combinations, right? See here, this is gray to binary. It's 1 0 1 0. My input will be 1 0 1 0. My output should be 1 1 1 1, right? So my input is 1, it's 1 0 1 0. My output will be 1 1 1 1. The same thing whatever we are getting, 1 0 1 0, my output is 1 1 1 1. So for this one, so 1 0 1 1, if it is 1 0 1 1, my output will be 1 1 1 0, right? My input will be 1 0 1 1. So it means it's 1 0 1 1, right? My output will be 1 1 1 0. See here, we verify, right? So 1 0 1 0, my output will be 1 1 1 1. So we will check any other combinations. Say for example 1 1 1 1, right? So if your input is 1 1 1 1, what is your output? 1 0 0 0. See here, your input is 1 1 1 1, my output will be 1 0 0 0, right? So this is like we can check all the combinations from the truth table, then we can verify the truth table, whether it is from we are converting correct from binary to gray code conversion, right? So that's all, guys. The next class we will discuss about one more code conversion, that is BCD to XS3 converter. We will see in the next class. Thank you.